In the blink of an eye, the fintech revolution has transformed the financial landscape globally. This revolution, a convergence of finance and technology, has shifted the paradigms of traditional banking and finance, introducing an era of seamless, efficient, and personalized financial services. Picture this. You're living in a world where managing your finances, making payments, transferring money, securing loans, and even investing in stocks can be done with a few simple taps on your smartphone. That's the fintech revolution for you. This isn't just a future prediction, but a reality that's unfolding right now. The emergence of fintech is reshaping the way we handle money, challenging the norms, and opening up a world of possibilities. At the heart of this revolution is digital technology, fueled by advancements in artificial intelligence, big data, blockchain, and more. Fintech companies are leveraging these technologies to deliver innovative financial solutions. This is not just transforming the financial sector, but it's also driving economic growth, promoting financial inclusion, and enhancing customer experience. Our journey today will take us through the various domains of the fintech revolution, from digital payments to digital lending, from insurance tech to reg tech and subtech, and from robo-advisory to blockchain. We'll explore the world of digital cards, international money transfers, personal finance management, cryptocurrency, and peer-to-peer lending applications. We'll delve into the market size of these domains, understand the regulatory compliances, analyze the profitability and business case, and identify the challenges and opportunities they present. We'll also highlight top global companies, including those from India, making waves in these fintech domains. But that's not all. We'll also peek into the future of fintech and examine how these domains can add value to the ecosystem and consumers' lives. We'll also discuss why this is the right time to start a fintech company and identify potential countries ready to usher in a fintech revolution. In this digital era, opportunity knocks for the bold and visionary entrepreneurs. The fintech revolution awaits you. Digital payments, the backbone of the fintech industry. This bustling domain is transforming how we transact, dwarfing traditional payment methods with its sheer size and scope. With a global market value that's expected to reach $8 trillion by 2025, there's no denying the potential. Navigating regulatory compliance is crucial. From data privacy laws to anti-money laundering directives, digital payment companies must strike a balance between innovation and regulation. But with challenge comes opportunity. Profitability, it's more than a possibility. It's a reality for the likes of global players such as PayPal, Alipay, Paytm, Stripe, and Square. These companies have not only seized the market, but are also shaping the future of digital payments. And the opportunities, they're immense. From facilitating seamless cross-border transactions to enabling financial inclusion, the digital payments domain is ripe for disruption. In the realm of digital payments, the future is now. Digital lending, the new age solution to traditional loan systems. It's a billion-dollar market with a myriad of players making their mark. From regulatory compliance to managing profitability, the digital lending domain is a labyrinth of challenges and opportunities. Let's talk about compliance first. It's a crucial part of the game, with stringent laws to ensure fair play. For instance, every digital lending platform must adhere to data protection and privacy laws, safeguarding customers' information. Next, profitability. It's the ultimate goal, right? With lower operating costs and a wider reach, digital lenders have the potential to enjoy higher profit margins than their traditional counterparts. But it's not all smooth sailing. Challenges do exist, from technology integration to customer trust building. Yet, these hurdles also present opportunities for innovation and growth. 5 companies leading the way in this domain include Lending Club, SoFi, Avant, Prosper, and India's own PaySense. Digital lending is not just a trend, it's a financial revolution. SceneScript, insurance tech, reg tech, and subtech, the new frontiers in fintech. One might wonder, what's with all these techs? Well, let's break it down. Insurance tech, or InsurTech, is all about leveraging technology to streamline and simplify the insurance industry. It's a big market, folks. We're talking about a global industry worth over $1.5 trillion. But it's not just about the money. It's about making insurance more accessible, affordable, and customer-friendly. RegTech, short for regulatory technology, is the knight in shining armor for businesses navigating the complex maze of financial regulations. It's like having a personal guide in the world of compliance, helping companies to stay on the right side of the law. RegTech is a profitable venture, with the market expected to grow to over $12 billion by the end of 2026. SupTech, or supervisory technology, is the watchdog of the financial world. It helps regulators monitor financial institutions, ensuring a level playing field for all. The beauty of SupTech is that it makes oversight more efficient and less intrusive. Now, let's take a quick tour around the globe. In the world of InsurTech, we have companies like Lemonade from the United States, Zhong'an from China, and Policy Bazaar from India. In the RegTech arena, we find companies like ComplyAdvantage from the UK, Trulio from Canada, and IDFI from India. And in the SupTech domain, we have Visor Software from Ireland, Bearing Point from the Netherlands, and Next Angles from India. But as with any frontier, there are challenges. Regulatory hurdles, technological complexities, and market competition are just a few. Yet, the opportunities are immense. These domains offer a chance to revolutionize the financial industry, making it more transparent, efficient, and inclusive. These domains are the building blocks of the new financial world order. Buy now, pay later, robo-advisory, blockchain, and digital cards. The game changers in the fintech industry. Buy now, pay later, or BNPL, is a flexible payment solution that allows consumers to purchase items and pay for them in installments. With a global market size of more than $200 billion, the BNPL domain is growing rapidly. However, regulatory compliance is a challenge, with different countries having different rules. Now let's talk about robo-advisory. This automated, algorithm-based portfolio management service has significantly reduced the cost of investment advice, making it accessible to the masses. The market size is projected to reach over $25 billion by 2025. However, the challenge lies in maintaining customer trust in an intangible, automated advisor. Moving on to blockchain, a technology that has revolutionized the way we conduct transactions. With enhanced security and transparency, blockchain has a wide range of applications in fintech. From cross-border payments to smart contracts, the possibilities are endless. However, regulatory compliance remains a major challenge, given the decentralized nature of the technology. Lastly, we have digital cards. These virtual cards are a safer alternative to physical cards with added convenience. The market size of digital cards is projected to grow at a CAGR of over 10% till 2027. However, the challenge lies in ensuring security and combating online fraud. Now, let's look at some global companies that are leading the way in these domains. In the BNPL sector, we have Afterpay and Zest Money. In robo-advisory, there's Betterment and Zerodha. Blockchain pioneers include Bitcoin and Ethereum, while in the digital card domain, we have companies like Apple Pay and PayZapp. These domains are reshaping the financial industry, one transaction at a time. They offer lucrative opportunities for entrepreneurs, but it's important to understand the challenges and navigate them wisely. The fintech revolution awaits those who dare to innovate and disrupt. International money transfer, personal finance management, cryptocurrency, and peer-to-peer lending, the engines of the fintech revolution. Let's dive into the world of international money transfer first. It's a colossal market, reaching billions of dollars annually. Regulatory compliance is key here, with laws like anti-money laundering and Know Your Customer in place to ensure safe and transparent transactions. Profitability is high, but so are the challenges, especially in navigating the maze of international laws and exchange rates. Companies like Western Union and India's own EbixCash are big players here. Next up, personal finance management. It's a rapidly growing domain with a market worth billions. Regulatory compliance focuses on data protection, and the profitability stems from subscription fees or partnerships with financial institutions. The challenge is building trust and maintaining security. Mint and India's Perfios are leading the way in this domain. Now, let's talk about cryptocurrency. This market is volatile but hugely popular, with a potential worth in the trillions. Regulatory compliance is a hot topic, with countries grappling to understand and legislate this new form of currency. Profitability is high for those who can navigate its peaks and valleys, and companies like Coinbase and India's Unicoin are making waves. Lastly, we have peer-to-peer lending. It's a market that's expected to reach hundreds of billions of dollars in the next few years. Regulatory compliance is crucial. With laws in place to protect both borrowers and lenders, profitability can be high, but the challenges, like ensuring repayment and dealing with defaulters, are significant. Companies like Lending Club and India's Faircent are trailblazers in this domain. These domains are the pillars of the fintech revolution, ensuring it stands tall and strong. Each one of these domains offers unique opportunities for entrepreneurs who are ready to navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities they present. These are the engines driving the fintech revolution, shaping the future of finance as we know it. The future of fintech, a world where finance and technology blend seamlessly. Imagine a world where the complexities of finance are made easy by technology. That's the promise of fintech. It's not just about creating new ways of doing old things, but about reimagining the entire financial ecosystem to better serve everyone. Let's start by looking at digital payments, a domain that's already transforming how we transact. The future here is cashless, where payments are instant and frictionless. Think of the value this adds to consumers' lives. No more waiting in queues, no more worrying about having exact change. Next, consider digital lending. Fintech can make this process more efficient, more transparent, and more inclusive. It can enable lenders to make better informed decisions and borrowers to access funds more quickly and easily. That's a win-win situation for all. Then there's the sector of insurance tech, regtech, and subtech. Fintech can add value here by simplifying complex processes, improving compliance, and enhancing supervisory capabilities. This can lead to better products, lower costs, and improved customer service. The buy now, pay later, robo-advisory, blockchain, and digital card domains are also ripe for disruption. Fintech can offer more flexible payment options, provide personalized financial advice, enable secure and transparent transactions, and make plastic cards a thing of the past. And let's not forget about international money transfer, personal finance management, cryptocurrency, and peer-to-peer lending applications. Fintech can make remittances cheaper and faster, help individuals manage their finances better, democratize access to digital currencies, and create peer-to-peer lending platforms that bypass traditional intermediaries. The data supports this vision. In the past decade, fintech startups have attracted billions in investment globally, reflecting the enormous potential of this space. The timing has never been better to start a fintech company and be part of this revolution. The fintech revolution is not just about technology, it's about making life easier for everyone. Together, we can build a future where finance serves us all better, where technology empowers us to take control of our financial destinies. That's the promise of fintech, and it's a future worth striving for. Fintech revolution, a global phenomenon. It's not limited to Silicon Valley or the Wall Street. There are several countries with immense potential to kickstart a fintech revolution. Let's talk about them. First up, we have Singapore. With its strong regulatory support and a thriving tech ecosystem, Singapore is attracting fintech startups like bees to honey. Then there's the United Kingdom. With London's status as a global financial hub, the country is ripe for fintech innovation. Next, we have China. With a massive population and a rapidly growing middle class, China offers a huge market for fintech services. And let's not forget India. With its digital-first approach and a vast unbanked population, India is an untapped goldmine for fintech companies. Lastly, we have the United States. With its mature financial markets and a culture of innovation, the US remains a hotbed for fintech startups. So, whether it's the East or the West, opportunities abound. The fintech revolution is global, and the world is your playground. The fintech revolution, an opportunity, a challenge, and a promise for a better future. We've journeyed through the vast landscape of fintech, exploring the intricacies of digital payments, digital lending, and the myriad of other domains that constitute this rapidly evolving industry. We've delved into the realm of insurance tech, regtech, and subtech, highlighting the immense potential these segments hold. We've navigated through the innovative domains of buy now, pay later, robo-advisory, blockchain, and digital cards, discussing their impact on the future of finance. Our exploration of the international money transfer, personal finance management, cryptocurrency, and peer-to-peer lending applications domains unveiled the transformative power of technology in these sectors. And we've glimpsed into the future of fintech, showcasing how these domains can add value to our ecosystem and enrich our lives. Each of these domains presents unique challenges and opportunities: regulatory compliance, profitability and business case, market size. These are all aspects that entrepreneurs need to consider when stepping into the fintech arena. But the potential rewards are immense. We've seen how global companies, including those in India, have leveraged these fintech domains to create innovative solutions and drive growth. The future of fintech is bright and full of promise. With every passing day, new technologies are emerging, offering entrepreneurs the tools to disrupt traditional finance and create something truly revolutionary. This is the right time to start a fintech company, to seize the opportunities presented by this dynamic industry and to make a difference. We've also identified the potential countries for the fintech revolution. These are the places where the spark of innovation can ignite a fire of change, transforming the financial landscape and paving the way for a better future. The world of fintech is a vast ocean of opportunities, waiting for visionary entrepreneurs to dive in and explore its depths. It's a challenging journey, but one that promises immense rewards. In the world of fintech, the only limit is your imagination. So let's ignite the spark of innovation and start the fintech revolution.